What's going on, guys? It's Kyle. Welcome to the Stock Goat YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to be covering the SoFi stock. I'm telling you right now, I've been watching a lot of companies, and SoFi's earnings are literally on the top of the list right now. Just overall fundamental execution, management guiding where they need to be for EPS growth for the next couple of years, 900% EPS growth, 20 to 25% compounded growth the next 3 years. And we already know SoFi is going to be trying to, slap those types of numbers with 30, 35% growth. This company is right where they need to be. Debt decreasing, cash increasing, net income profitability, full year profitability 2024. I think we are just gearing up to have an amazing 2024. Right now, we are getting sucked into this category that we shouldn't be involved in. Right now, there's a regional banking crisis in the real estate, business, okay? SoFi just got their mortgage company bought just a couple of months ago. We are just now entering the real estate business. These companies have got themselves into trouble over the last couple of years in real estate, and we are paying the price right now on our stock because of other companies not leveraging correctly, not guiding correctly, and just taking risks that they shouldn't be doing. SoFi is going to be the fastest growing bank in America for the next 5 years. They are not just a bank. I listen to people on Twitter. I listen to every single person's opinion, and the amount of people that are just saying SoFi is a bank, it's just incredible how people don't do any due diligence. They just go ahead and speak. SoFi right now is 83% banking, fundamentals, banking products. They have 17% of overall revenue in their tech platform, Galileo, and that Galileo business is powering 140 million accounts across hundreds of big fintechs, financial institution, companies. We are getting diversified faster and faster, guys. I think the stock is going to be bottoming out real soon because you saw how the stock acted on that earnings, guys. We absolutely exploded. The headlines were bullish as can be. And then you got the analysts bringing us back down with downgrades, sell ratings, manipulation, our legacy bank competitors that own our stock and are also giving us sell ratings. Think about that for a second. I'm telling you, they want to go for the buyout. If this stock just is held down for long enough, they want to buy it out or just keep accumulating, where they can get a, easy buyout, guys. Right now, SoFi is significantly undervalued. They are performing better than all these other companies on earnings. And we're going to be covering some great data in this video. If you find any of this information useful, be sure to smash the like button. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. We're trying to get the channel past 20,000 subscribers. And don't forget to drop a comment. I'm going to be commenting back to as many people as I can. All right, guys, this is why the market was getting rocked a little bit this morning, and then it bounced back, but SoFi was getting grouped into that regional bank category. You can see Fed's Neil Kashkari expects only 2 or 3 interest rate cuts this year. So remember, guys, we were at 6, just a couple of weeks ago. SoFi guided for 4, and then this guy comes out and is talking about 2, 3. You see what I'm saying? That's not going to get the banking sector, moving with all of this real estate crisis going on. So this is what happens. People's opinions come out that have power, and they can move markets with, just stuff like this. Why is he saying 2 rate cuts when we were just at 6? I don't know. You got to read into this. I just don't really look too deep into this type of news. You type in bank crisis, guys. Just look at the headlines. Plunge in New York Community Bank. This is the one we've been covering. Stock stirs fears as wider crisis. Wall Street worried about a regional bank crisis. Bancorp downgrade stokes fears of regional bank failure. So you see what I'm saying? This stuff is just getting spread right now. And SoFi, like I said, it's a bank. It's 83% a bank right now. Looking to continue to decrease that. We're trying to diversify out of consumer lending and stuff like that. Trying to grow overall banking services to about 66%. And then that Galileo tech platform that's at 17% right now, we're trying to grow that to 33%, 1/3 of the business. So SoFi is going to be the fastest growing bank in America and potentially the AWS of fintech in the next couple of years, which they are trying to accomplish right now. And growth has ticked up very slightly. All right, guys, we got a little bit of good news here. You can see breaking news. This is a whale alert, guys. I don't post small buys on my Twitter. I only post the big buys. Dimensional Fund Advisors LP opens a new position in updated filing. So they weren't adding or selling. This is a brand new position. It's a fresh position. We don't know exactly the specific date they opened it, but it looks like they probably opened it in the past 60 days or so. plus 3.8 million shares, guys. I mean, do the math on that. At the stock price, we're probably around, 30, $35 million. This is a pretty big buy. And you can see on Fintel, this is where I watch the buys daily after the close. You can see they came in right here. Dimensional Fund, 3.8 million shares right here, guys. Big buy, like $38 million at the time they were purchasing it. So it could have been when the stock was a little bit higher. But you see, I don't watch stuff like this. I don't watch these 300,000, 300,000, 100,000 buy. I don't watch that stuff. I watch what the whales are doing, and these guys are accumulating. So remember, guys, it doesn't just have to be legacy banks buying up the stock. I kept trying to tell you there's so much private equity money out there, institutions besides banks that can buy up SoFi stock in a blink of an eye, okay? It doesn't just have to be banks buying our shares, okay? You got these funds coming out just like this. So guys, remember what happened on earnings? Crazy price action, bullish headlines. The stock's just getting manipulated and ended up giving back all of those gains. I'm telling you right now, the growth trends are not slowing down for SoFi. Just look at what's happening under the hood, guys. Looks to me like the digital shift is alive and well, and people have decided where they want to park their money. Number one digital bank in America. This is 2-year deposit growth. Look at this, guys. Tell me this isn't super bullish right here. We're going back 8 quarters. I packed all of this data into one chart for you guys. Deposits. Look at this, guys. 1 billion, 3 billion, 5 billion, 7 billion, 11 billion, 12 billion, 16 billion, 17 billion. Do you see this, guys? Look at the increase, guys, over 2 years. SoFi deposits stays on this trend, increases a little bit more. We're going to be at 50 billion deposits, 100 billion deposits in no time. And SoFi's cost of funding is just going to continue to go down. You're going to see EBITDA expansion, net income expansion, and you're also going to see debt decrease from those warehouse facilities. So everything is on the right track right now, okay? All SoFi needs to do is get Galileo platform, their tech platform, re-accelerating. That's all they need to do. The faster that re-accelerates, the faster SoFi overall business backs out of lending, guys. So look at deposits, just stellar across the board. And once again, guys, I do some posts to compare companies, just talking about high growth companies, and people come out and just say SoFi is a bank. That is not true, guys. They are a bank, but they're not just in consumer lending, guys. Take a look. SoFi is a bank, but 17% of its overall business comes from core banking technology and card issuing to businesses such as up-and-coming fintechs, large financial institutions. This business is generating $400 million run rate. This business is called Galileo because I know a lot of you guys have been following the channel, know what this stuff is, but I'm trying to break the news to everyone. So smash the like button, drop a comment, subscribe to the channel so more and more people can learn about SoFi, not just being a bank. Galileo client success equals SoFi success. The more revenue they make, the more revenue SoFi makes. That's because SoFi acquired this company and other additional companies on top of that, including Technisys. SoFi's goal is to get this business to 33% of the overall company, diversifying away from consumer banking faster and faster. Check out some of Galileo's clients. Look at these companies. I'm sure you know a ton of these companies, guys. Toast. People are making videos right now on YouTube. Toast. Chime, probably the top 2 fintech in America right now. Bluevine, digital banking, Lily, Moneyline, H&R Block, Robinhood, Monzo. And we're probably not even seeing half of the partners that they're signing right now, guys. $400 million run rate just now. I think they could easily take this to 500, 600 million by the end of 2024, potentially. I want to see growth accelerate to potentially 30, 40%. This business is up and coming. You guys know I keep it 100% with you. This business right now, overall, growth rates, we're at like a C right now, okay? We want to see this kick up to an A in the next 2-3 quarters. But SoFi's overall business and financial services, lending, just growing users, and the banking makes it like the fastest growing bank in America as well. So when you get these combined, you're going to get that tech hybrid multiple that we've been looking for. When you got a Morgan Stanley not growing for 5 years straight at a 16x multiple, that would put us at a minimum of 30 to 45x, 2 to 3x, because there's no growth there, okay? We're a bank, they're a bank, one's growing and one's not. Guys, watch out. Stock Code is starting to make these charts looking pretty clean. This chart right here is another one I got for you. Revenue, EBITDA, and net income. 3 years, 2021, 2022, and 2023. Let the bears keep talking. Let the analysts keep downgrading. Fundamentals are beginning to take over. Let's see where this chart goes in 2024, guys. Look at this. This red line is revenue. This is 12 quarters. Just a freaking super line going up. Then you got EBITDA. It was basing out. And then look at this. You're getting EBITDA skyrocketing to 180 million. And then you got net income, a lot of scaling, a lot of investing, growing user base. You saw this move up a lot. You saw a write down on their acquisition of Technisys, and then boom, as soon as they cleared up that write down, boom, profitable quarter, $48 million. And they have said that this is expected to accelerate the next couple of quarters, guys. So just look at the charts, okay? Everything as of the last quarter is right where we need it to be. And you also have debt decreasing. I'm getting excited, guys, to cover this Q1 earnings. We're going to be there in no time at all. I hate to say it, but this year is going to be flying by. Keep doing what you're doing. Keep growing your incomes. Keep investing, DCAing, and we're going to be where we need to be because the fundamentals are just getting better and better for SoFi. They are literally diversifying into the fastest growing sector in the world, which is, the fintech market. And we are going to be the number one player in America, in my personal opinion. If you made it to the end of the video, I want to say I really do appreciate it. I enjoy doing these videos for you guys. Once again, just continue to DCA when you have money and you think the stock is a good value to buy. I'm following a lot of companies right now, and I think SoFi had some of the best earnings out of all of these companies. Profitable, great guidance, EPS growth, 900% for the next 3 years. Just a well-run management, and I'm really looking forward to the near future. Once again, be sure to subscribe to the channel if you are not already subscribed. Don't forget to smash the like button and drop a comment. Once again, my name is Kyle. Hope you have a great day.